Okay, you are able to see screen, right?
Yeah.
So we'll take this tool, draw a face on a plane, and you have to select 3 points: first, second, and third. In which direction you want to draw that. So I want to draw in this direction, and then you have to take the reference point. Okay, from here I want to start. Here I will go. So first I will draw outer surface. So you can draw any shape on any surface. Okay, like this. So next, again, if you want to draw inside one, okay, in this way you can easily able to draw on any surface. Okay, and this way you can easily draw that. So where it will be useful mean when you have slant surfaces, there you have to make holes for windows or something, or you have to keep some design. There you can able to draw and you can do push pull there. So in there it will be useful. So you want to do some nice design, flower design or something. Okay, you can able to import the image, but if you want to draw by using this tool, we can easily draw whatever the shape we need for that building. Okay, this is the draw a face on a plane. Next one is like draw face best fit to a series of points. Okay, next one is, so we have some different heights of points are there. So what it will do is, so it will draw a play top surface. Okay, so how it will works is you have to select all the faces. At last point you have to do this. So according to the height, so it will come like this. Otherwise, again take, so it will draw plane like this. Like it will try to cover all the faces. Like plane face it will create. So like this way we can create some sloped surfaces according to the height of that wall, different walls. So in that way we'll draw the faces. So I took as a different height points. If you have some different little difference height, you can easily fit the surface to the planes. So in that way we will draw the face. And next one is extrude tool. Okay, this also same works like follow up tool, but this will be more advanced. How it is, for example, we have some, okay, spring type wire is there. Same follow up tool, how we'll do is we'll select this and we'll select the face. See, sorry. For follow up tool, you have to draw the circle on this particular face, right? Then only it will take. So this one, follow up tool, and this one. Then only it will draw the particular shape. But by using this follow up tool, we can draw from anywhere. That is, click here and take this tool and click on the face. Okay, so automatically it will create this. First, what you have to do is you have to select the spline line and take the tool, select the face, and after that you have to select one reference point from center or from corner where you want. Okay, in this way we will extrude that. Okay, otherwise we can take another surface. So click on this face and click like this, and it will automatically create the face here. So in this way we will extrude that. And you know how it is came this shape. How we will draw this line like this. So anyone having idea how to draw that? Hello? Hello? Narayana? ఇది ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలో తెలుసా? ఐడియా ఉందా అని అడుగుతున్నా. ఇది లైన్
ఐడియా లేదు.
హెలిక్స్ టైప్ లో, స్ప్రింగ్ టైప్ లో. ప్రసన్న
ఐడియా లేదు.
ప్రసన్న, హేమిత నీకు?
So idea లేదండి.
Okay. So that all I'm asking. So how we have to draw is, so first take a circle. Okay, 2 feet circle I'm taking. Okay, how many parts of that circle also you have to see. Total how many are there? 24 segments are there. Okay, now what I will do is go nearby. So draw an vertical line at one segment and draw like this. Okay, any height you can take, so according to your wish, that is any height you can take. And I will delete this one now, the vertical line, and I will delete the center face. You can able to easily see this. Now what I will do is I will rotate this. Okay, I will rotate around this. So how to rotate is you have to take rotate tool, pick the center point. So you have to consider that center point as a reference point. rotate. Hmm. Okay, when you are rotating like this, it is just extending. So not like that. You have to press control. Okay, when you press control, it will come like this. So you just click on that next point. So it will form picking points. Rotate here. Select this and do rotate. Okay, 23 segment, 23x enter. Okay, 23, it will come. Then you can delete this. Now we have lines here, right? So this you have to select and you have to move this in top direction. It's not game. The so where is the center here? So select this and rotate. Click on this 23x enter. Okay. Now you just delete this and select this all and copy to the up direction. So now all lines are matched. So in that way, how much height you want, you can give that much height. I'm giving 23x. Okay. See here. So we got spiral line. So in this one line, I'll make it as a group and I will take separately. So you can delete this now. Okay. This is more height, expanded more. So this one you can scale it down how much height you want. So in this way we can keep, and I will explore this. This I will copy again. Explore, copy this. So 23 center. See, like spring shape, you can take this. Okay, in this way we will make the spiral line. Okay, we don't have direct tool like in AutoCAD we have one tool, right, for making like spring shape, but here we don't have. So we have to make in this way. Now understand how it came. If you ask, say again, I will explain or I will continue another tools. Hello. Narayana, is it okay or can I explain again?
Okay.
So now we saw how to extrude the profile select along the selected path. Next, we'll see the next tool is extrude selected profile. Okay, maintain taper. So we can increase the size or we can decrease the size of a particular face. Okay, for example, see here. So for that, what you have to do is you have to select the face and click the tool. So how much height you want? See here, and it is down. Minus it will go. So it is the zero value. See when you go cursor down, it will show minus, and cursor will go up, it will show plus value. Okay, I want 1 feet down, 1 feet, enter. Okay, it will take down into 1 feet. Otherwise, if you want 2 feet up, it will take 21 inches. Okay, I want 20 inches. Okay, in this shape it will keep. So like this we can maintain the height of that particular shape. Okay, for that you have to select the face and take the tool, and how much you want, that much you can click and take. Okay, in this way we'll cut the particular portion of that by using that tool. Okay, next is create a revolved surface from selected edges. Okay, next one is okay, this one, how to revolve that faces. So we have to select that particular face. Okay, and take the tool. So how many degrees you want? A is 360 degrees, means complete round. And surface segments, how many parts you want, that is 30, 40, 10. So 2 parts also it will make half of. Okay, create revolve surface, and you have to mention the direction axis. So it will create face around that 360 degrees. So in this way it will make that particular shape. So now I will select this. And I will take this tool. Okay, give the direction. Okay, in this way. Okay, in this way it will make, this is thin surface, it is okay thick surface. In this way it will make the object. You can create whatever the shape you want. Okay, so like flower vase you can make. So whatever shape you want, you can modify and you can make that. Or else you can create some vessel like. So I'll delete this now. revolve this and click on this. Okay, like this bowl you can make. So it will be created separately and make it into small bowl. So like small components you can make easily. Okay, by using this tool, we can easily make some components. Okay, until here you understood, right? Every tool.
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, okay. So I'll try to finish it. Can I continue for 5 minutes more? I'll explain this tool and I will stop. And remaining we'll see tomorrow. It will be very easy. Fillet chamfer and array tools also is there. So next tool is move selected vertex on entities. So it is nothing, just one surface will be there. So here you have to move the vertex. Vertex means, so if you are moving the edge means, so what will happen is, so everything will be come along with that. Okay, so due to avoid, for avoiding that, so you just take the pick a vertex, you will just easily move that vertex, particular vertex. You can easily match to that. Okay, just you'll move that vertex. Like this we can attach the particular face. So in this way we'll use this tool. Okay, tomorrow I'll see fillet chamfer tools and also array tools also. And I don't know how much it will be useful, and this revolve surface tool and remaining tools, staircase and making grills and all. So it will be very useful for architectural purpose. Okay, these tools you learn thoroughly. Okay, so try to practice these tools. I'm just editing that videos. I will send in by this weekend. I will send. Okay, all.
No.
Mm. Okay, have a good day.